Android users may sometimes face issues downloading or installing apps from the Play Store. If you're having this problem and you have no idea what to do, then this video should help. The effective fix is found from other users who had the issue when installing an app from the Google Play Store are shown in this video. When there is a problem installing an app, one of the first things you should check is to determine if the Android phone has an internet connection. Try accessing a website using your browser to verify if the page loads correctly. If the page won't load while using Wi-Fi or mobile data, you may also do a speed test to verify if the Android device has enough connectivity to download the app. Restarting the Android phone is an additional quick solution for issues. This straightforward technique has previously been used to effectively fix the majority of phone troubles. Before pressing and holding the power button for a short period of time to enter the power menu, all open programs should be closed. There are occasions when you cannot download an app because other loaded applications on your phone are upgrading at the same time when auto updates are enabled. It is preferable to disable automatic updates in order to fix the Google Play Store stuck at waiting for download issue. Here's how. Launch the Google Play Store app. Tap your profile located at the top right corner of the screen. Select Settings from the options. Select Network Preferences. Choose Auto Update Apps, then select Don't Auto Update Apps afterwards. Due to a shortage of available storage, you might not be able to download the app from Google Play. In order for the app to install correctly, make sure your phone has enough space. You can find out how much space your Android smartphone still has by doing the following actions. Open Settings on your phone. Select Battery and Device Care. The amount of space on your phone should be displayed in this section. If your storage space is limited, delete superfluous files to make room before continuing with the app installation. We also strongly advise erasing the cache and data from the Google Play Store as an additional choice. Ineffective or damaged temporary files kept on your phone may be the root cause of the waiting for download issue. You should be aware that deleting your phone's cache and data will have no impact on any of the loaded apps. By upgrading your Android operating system, you might be able to resolve the Google Play Store stuck at waiting for download problem. You might be unable to install the app because your Android device has an outdated operating system. After resetting the app settings, some users were able to resolve the Google Play Store waiting for download problem. This process will restore the default settings for every program. Follow these steps to reset the app's preferences. Open the Settings app on your device. Select Apps. Tap the More settings located at the top right corner of your screen. Choose Reset App Preferences. Restart your phone and try to install the app on Google Play Store. If this function was activated, another option is to disable the parental control settings in your Google Play Store. If you're unclear if the parental controls on your phone are enabled, you may check by going to the Play Store app. None of the previous options have worked so far. You may also try uninstalling updates to resolve the Google Play Store waiting for download issue. Perform this action if the app starts acting weirdly after a recent update. Here are the steps to uninstall Play Store updates. Access the phone settings. Select Apps. Select Google Play Store next. Tap the More settings. Choose Uninstall Updates. Time and date on your phone should be accurate since they might affect or interfere with the ability to download apps. Using the guidelines provided, modify the date and time on your phone. Open the Settings app, choose General Management, tap Date and Time, enable Automatic Date and Time next, launch the Google Play Store and install the app. If you don't have a spare Google account that can be used and the Google Play Store is still stopped and waiting for downloads. That's it. If you think that this video is helpful, we would appreciate it if you can leave a like, subscribe to our channel, or share this video to your friends. This can greatly help in making sure that Google's algorithm can find and recommend this video to others.